Good morning. Welcome to MBDS Gurukul channel. How are you? I hope you will be healthy and happy. Please subscribe this channel and share this video in your friend circle. Now let me solve the questions that I gave you for practice. After that, the left question of exercise 8.1. Okay? Questions practice. Question number 1. In triangle ABC, right angled at B, AB is equal to 5 cm and BC is equal to 12 cm. Find the value of sin A, sec A, sin C and sec C. Okay. Now solve this question. Solution 1. In triangle ABC, angle B is equal to 90 degree. AB is equal to 5 centimeter and BC is equal to 12 centimeter. Draw a triangle ABC. B is 90 degree. AB is equal to 5 centimeter. BC is equal to 12 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, we have, by the Pythagoras theorem, AC square per hypotenuse square is equal to perpendicular square and base square. AC square is equal to AB square plus BC square is equal to 5 square plus 12 square. Is equal to 5 5 are 25, 12 12 144 centimeter square is equal to 169 centimeter square. Therefore, AC is equal to root under 169 centimeter square is equal to root of say 169 is equal to 13 and centimeter square is equal to centimeter. Now, for trigonometry ratio of angle A, we have for angle A, BC is perpendicular, AB is base, okay, and hypotenuse is AC. The hypotenuse is same for angle A and for angle C. Base is equal to AB is equal to 5 centimeter perpendicular is equal to BC is equal to 12 centimeter and hypotenuse is equal to AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse. The perpendicular is equal to BC and hypotenuse is equal to AC. So 12 by 13. Sec A is equal to hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse AC base AB is equal to 13 by 5. For trigonometry ratio of angle C, we have base is equal to BC. Base is equal to BC. For C, perpendicular is equal to AB, base is equal to BC. Okay, is equal to 12 centimeter. Perpendicular is equal to AB is equal to 5 centimeter. Hypotenuse is equal to AC is equal to 13 centimeter. Therefore, sin C is equal to perpendicular AB by hypotenuse AC is equal to 5 by 13. Sec C is equal to hypotenuse AC by base BC is equal to 13 by 12. Hence, sin A is equal to 12 by 13. Sec A is equal to 13 by 5. Sin C is equal to 5 by 13. Sec C is equal to 13 by 12. Answer. Now, the rest question of exercise 8.1. Question number 2. Question number 2. In figure 8.13, find tan P minus cot R. Solution. In figure 8.13, again you draw this figure, okay? Because this figure in question, but we also draw this figure in solution. P, Q, R, Q is equal to 90 degree, PR 13 centimeter, PQ 12 centimeter. In figure 8.13, angle Q is equal to 90 degree. PQ is equal to 12 centimeter and PR is equal to 13 centimeter. By Pythagoras theorem, PR square is equal to PQ square जोड़ QR square, implies QR square is equal to PR square minus PQ square is equal to PR 13 square minus 12 square is equal to 169 minus 144 is equal to 25. Implies QR square is equal to 25 centimeter square. Implies QR is equal to root under 25 centimeter square is equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Now, therefore, tan P minus cot R is equal to, for P perpendicular is QR, base is equal to PQ. Okay, and for so I write QR by PR. Perpendicular PQ for tan P perpendicular QR. Okay, tan P perpendicular QR, so QR by PR minus cot R for R perpendicular PQ and base QR, so QR by PQ. QR by PQ, because tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base and cot theta is equal to base by perpendicular. Implies 5 by 12 minus 5 by 12. When we subtract, then I get 0 answer. Now, question number 3. Question number 3. If sin A is equal to 3 by 4, calculate cos A and tan A. Solution. Given sin A is equal to 3 by 4. Okay. Because cos square A is equal to 1 minus sin square A. Okay, we also know this formula. Is equal to 1 minus sin A is equal to 3 by 4, so 3 by 4 to the whole square is equal to 1 minus 3 3 9 and 4 4 16 is equal to LCM is equal to 16. 16 minus 9 is equal to 7 by 16. Therefore, cos A is equal to root under 7 by 16 is equal to root under 7, because 7 is a irrational number. The root under 16, the value of root under 16 is equal to 4. Again, because tan A is equal to sin A by cos A is equal to sin A is equal to 3 by 4 and cos A is equal to root under 7 by 4. Okay. Now the 4 and 4 is also divided, so we are getting 3 by root under 7. Hence cos A is equal to root under 7 by 4 and tan A is equal to 3 by root under 7. Answer. Question number 4. Question number 4. Given 15 cot A is equal to 8, find sin A and sec A. Solution. From question, 15 cot A is equal to 8. Therefore, cot A is equal to 8 by 15, because 15 is here multiply, so this goes to other side, then in the side on divided, so 8 is divided by 15. Now we know that cot A is equal to base by perpendicular, so B is equal to 8x and P is equal to 15x. X, because I don't know this number is 8 by 15 or other number, just like 16 by 30, yeah, 24 by 45, I don't know, so I multiply by x in numerator and also denominator. Okay, now written by Pythagoras theorem, h square is equal to p square plus b square is equal to 15x the whole square plus 8x the whole square is equal to 15 are 225 x square plus 8 at 64 x square is equal to 289 x square. Yeah, implies h square is equal to 289 x square. Therefore, h is equal to root under 289 x square is equal to 17x. Now, sin A is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse is equal to, perpendicular is 15x and hypotenuse is 17x is equal to 15 by 17. Sec A is equal to base by hypotenuse by base, 17x by 8x is equal to 17 by 8. Answer. The next question. Question number 5. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Calculate all other trigonometric ratios. Solution. Given sec theta is equal to 13 by 12. Okay. Because cos theta is equal to 1 by sec theta is equal to 1 by 13 by 12. Therefore, 12 goes to the portion of the place of numerator. So 12 by 13. Okay. Now, because sin theta is equal to sorry, because sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta is equal to 1 minus 12 by 13 to the whole square is equal to 1 minus 145 by 44 by 169 is equal to LCM 169, then 169 minus 144 is equal to 25 by 169. Therefore sin theta is equal to root under 25 by 169 is equal to root square of 25 is equal to 5 and root square of 169 is equal to 13. It's equal to 5 by 13. Next, because cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta is equal to 1 by 5 by 13 is equal to 13 by 5. Now, because tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta is equal to sin theta is equal to 5 by 13 and cos theta is equal to 12 by 30. So 13 and 30 also cross, then I get 5 by 12. Because cot theta is equal to 1 by tan theta, so 1 by 5 by 12 is equal to 12 by 5. Hence sin theta is equal to 5 by 13, cos theta is equal to 12 by 13, tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, cot theta is equal to 12 by 5, cosec theta is equal to 13 by 5, 5 by 13, 12 by 30, tan theta 5 by 12, cot theta 12 by 15 and cosec theta 13 by 5. Answer. Next question, question number 6. Question number 6. If angle A and angle B are acute angle such that cos A is equal to cos B, then show that angle A is equal to angle B. Solution. Let us assume the triangle ABC in which CD perpendicular to AB. Okay, this is a figure of triangle ABC. A, B and C. CD is perpendicular to AB. Okay, now it is given that cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, now implies for angle in triangle right triangle CDA, cos A is equal to cos theta is equal to base by hypotenuse. So base for angle A, base is equal to AD. AD by hypotenuse AC. Cos B for triangle right triangle CDB, cos B base BC and hypotenuse BD and hypotenuse BC. So cos B is equal to BD by BC. Okay. By cross multiplication, AD into BC is equal to BD into AC. By cross multiplication. Okay. AD into BC, AC into BD. Implies AD by BC goes to other side, then AD by BD, okay, is equal to AC by BC goes to other side, BC. It means AD by BD is equal to AC by BC. Suppose I let the value of AD by BD is equal to AC by BC is equal to K. Value of AD by BD is equal to K, and also value of AC by BC is equal to K. Okay. If AD by BC is equal to K, then AD is equal to AD by BD. Then AD is equal to K into BD. Equation 1. Again, if AC by BC is equal to K, then AC is equal to K into BC. Equation 2. By applying Pythagoras theorem, in right triangle CDA and right triangle CDB. And right triangle CDB, we get in triangle CDA, okay, AC square is equal to AC square is equal to AD स्क्वायर जोड़ CD स्क्वायर. AD स्क्वायर जोड़ CD स्क्वायर implies CD स्क्वायर is equal to AC स्क्वायर minus AD स्क्वायर. Equation 3. In triangle CDB, BC square is equal to BC square is equal to CD square जोड़ BD square. BC square is equal to CD square जोड़ BD square implies CD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. Equation 4. From equation 3 and 4. Now equation 3 is also the value of CD square and equation 4 is also the value of CD square. So AC square minus AD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. Implies AC square minus AD square. Here in equation 2 AC is equal to KBC and AD is equal to KBD. So I am putting the value of AC and AD in here. Okay, AC the K BC whole square minus K into BD whole square is equal to BC square minus BD square from equation 1 and equation 2. Okay, implies K square BC square minus K square BD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. Common K square, then I get BC square minus BD square is equal to BC square minus BD square. Implies K square is equal to, this is the same, so I divide BC square minus BC square by BC square minus BC square, then I get 1. Okay, implies K is equal to root under 1 is equal to 1. Now putting the value of K in equation 2, we obtain putting the value of K in equation 2, we obtain AC is equal to 1 into BC, implies AC is equal to BC, implies angle B is equal to angle A, because angle opposite to equal side are equal. In triangle CAB, in triangle CAB, AC is equal to BC. Okay, so opposite of angle AC is opposite of side AC is angle B, and opposite of side BC is angle A. So angle B is equal to angle A, implies angle A is equal to angle B. Proved. Now the next question. Question number, if cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, evaluate question number 1, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Question number cot square theta. Okay, solution. Given cot theta is equal to 7 by 8. Okay, 1 plus sin theta into 1 minus sin theta by 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta is equal to, now I apply a formula, A plus B into A minus B is equal to A square minus B square. So 1 minus sin square theta. A plus B into A minus B, same, A square minus B square, 1 minus cos square theta. The formula 1 minus sin square theta is equal to cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta is equal to sin square theta is equal to cos theta by sin theta to the whole square is equal to cot theta whole square is equal to the value of cot theta is equal to 7 by 8, 7 by 8 to the whole square is equal to 7 7 49, 8 8 64. Answer. Question number 2, cot square theta is equal to cot square theta the whole square, cot theta the whole square is equal to 7 by 8 to the whole square is equal to 7 7 49 and 8 8 64. Answer. Okay, now the question for practice. Question number 1, given tan A is equal to 4 by 3, find the other trigonometric ratio of the angle A. Question number 2, if angle B and angle Q are acute angles such that sin B is equal to sin Q, then prove that angle B is equal to angle Q. Question number 3, consider triangle ACB right angled at angle C at C in which AB is equal to 29 units, BC is equal to 21 units and angle ACB is equal to theta. See in figure 8.10, the figure is ACB. Okay, angle B is theta. This is 29 and this is 21. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta, one number, and 2 number cos square theta minus sin square theta. Okay, thank you, good night.